Welcome dear friends, in this video we will discuss part 2 of pair of words from CC's English paper of the year 1979. So let's start. Illusion and illusion. Illusion means a deceptive appearance or impression, often leading someone to perceive something that is not in line with reality. यानी illusion का मतलब ये है कि एक ज़ाहिरी शक्ल या तासुर जो धोखाधड़ी पर मबनी है अक्सर किसी को ऐसी चीज़ का इदराक करने की तरफ ले जाता है जो हकीकत के मुताबिक नहीं होता. Its synonyms are mirage, hallucination, misconception, delusion and fantasy. Example sentences. The magician created the illusion of a floating ball, captivating the audience with his skillful tricks. Illusion. Illusion is used for an indirect reference to a person, place, thing or idea, often made to enhance the meaning of an expression or to evoke a particular mental image. यानी illusion का मतलब ये है कि किसी शख्स, जगह, चीज़ या ख्याल का बिलवास्ता हवाला अक्सर इजहार के मानी को बढ़ाने या किसी ख़ास ज़हनी तस्वीर को उबारने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Its synonyms are reference, mention, hint, nod and inference. Example sentences. The author made a clever allusion to Greek mythology in her novel, adding layers of meaning for readers familiar with the ancient tales. Aspire and expire. Aspire means to want something very much or to hope to achieve something or be successful. यानी एक मजबूत ख्वाहिश रखना, किसी ख़ास मकसद या हदफ के लिए इरादा रखना. Its synonyms are ambition, strive, seek, aim, pursue and desire. Example sentences. She aspires to become a successful entrepreneur and is working hard to achieve her business goals. Expire. Expire means to come to an end, to cease to be valid or effective or to die. यानी अंजाम को पहुंचना या मरना. Its synonyms are terminate, conclude, end, lapse, finish and perish. Example sentences. The contract is set to expire at the end of the month and negotiations for renewal are underway. Collision and collusion. Collision means a violent and direct impact between two or more objects, often resulting in damage or alteration of their original form. यानी कोलिजन का मतलब है दो या दो से ज़्यादा अशिया के दरमियान बराह रास्त असर मतलब बराह रास्त टकराना, जिसके नतीजे में उनकी असल शक्ल को नुकसान पहुंचता है. Its synonyms are crash, impact, smash, clash, bump and accident. Example sentences. The collision between the two cars at the intersection caused significant damage to both vehicles. Collusion. Collusion means a secret or illegal cooperation or conspiracy between individuals or groups to deceive, manipulate or achieve an unfair advantage, typically to the detriment of others. यानी किसी को धोखा देने के लिए लोगों के दरमियान खुफिया या गैर कानूनी तौर पर मिलकर काम करने का मुआहिदा. Its synonyms are conspiracy, collaboration, scheming, connivance, secret agreement. Example sentences. The companies were fined for collusion to fix prices and control the market, harming fair competition. Counsel and counsel. Counsel can be used as a noun, and as a noun it refers to advice or guidance, especially from a knowledgeable person or a legal advisor. As a verb it means to give advice or guidance. यानी बतौर इसम काउंसल से मुराद मशवरा या रहनुमाई है, ख़ास तौर पर किसी इल्म वाले शख्स या कानूनी मुशीर से. बतौर फ़ेल इसका मतलब नसीहत या रहनुमाई देना है. Its synonyms are advice, guidance, direction, recommendation and suggestion. Example sentences. She sought the counsel of her mentor before making a major career decision. Council. It means a group of people who are chosen or elected to make decisions or provide advice on behalf of a larger group or community। यानी काउंसिल का मतलब है लोगों का एक ग्रुप जो किसी बड़े ग्रुप या कम्युनिटी की जानिब से फ़ैसले करने या मशवरा देने के लिए मुंतखब किया जाता है। इट्स सिनोनिम्स आर बोर्ड, कमेटी, असम्बली, पैनल एंड गवर्निंग बॉडी। एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस: The city council met to discuss and vote on the proposed changes to the local zoning laws। Expedient and expeditious। Expedient means suitable for achieving a particular purpose, especially if it is convenient rather than morally right। यानी किसी ख़ास मकसद के उसूल के लिए मौजून, ख़ास तौर पर अगर ये अखलाक़ी तौर पर दुरुस्त होने के बजाय आसान हो। मतलब अखलाकियात का ख्याल नहीं रखा जाता, लेकिन सिर्फ ये देखा जाता है कि ये सूटेबल है कि नहीं किसी मकसद को हासिल करने के लिए। इट्स सिनोनिम्स आर कन्वीनियंट, प्रैक्टिकल, एडवांटेजियस, pragmatic and resourceful। Example sentences: The decision to bypass certain regulations was deemed expedient for the timely completion of the project। Expeditious, it means quickness, promptness and efficiency in accomplishing a task। यानी एक काम को पूरा करने में जल्दी करना और या जल्दबाजी करना। Its synonyms are prompt, swift, speedy, efficient and rapid। Example sentences: The expeditious handling of the emergency by the rescue team saved lives and minimized damage। Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.